What's up guys, Keith here. Today we are going to do another quick Amazon Web Services tutorial. This time it's going to be on removing an EBS volume that is currently attached to a Linux EC2 instance. And just to note, this doesn't have to be a Linux EC2 instance. Any operating system instance that has EBS attached as an additional storage can be unattached. So if you guys did not see one of their previous videos on how to create and attach an EBS volume, the information link is off to the right in the video. Feel free to check that out. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We are currently on our EC2 dashboard. We want to go ahead and select our instance that has the EBS volume attached. So we're just going to go ahead and scroll down here in the details. Dev SDF, that is our EBS ID that we want to unattach. All right. Current state, in use, meaning it's attached to that Linux EC2 instance, and it was actually mounted. So if you guys are concerned about that and it is currently in use on your operating system, in this case it was attached to it is attached to a Red Hat Enterprise Linux OS. Make sure you unmount that additional storage device. So we went ahead and did that, so we're just going to go ahead and right click it, or you can go to actions up here after you select that volume and click detach volume. Are you sure you want to detach this volume? Yes, I'm very sure. All right, give it a second. All right, guys, as you can see, the state has transitioned from in use, that green circular icon, to the blue available state. So we have successfully detached that EBS volume, and it can now be transitioned and utilized for another EC2 instance that is in the US West 2B availability zone. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you got something out of this video, please like it. If you enjoy IT tutorials, gaming, and a litany of other related topics, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cyber and You. See you next time.